Hey guys, so I'm back with a really interesting craft video. So this craft is really interesting and even very cute. And this is the craft. Well, this is a cup diary. Alright, so this is a diary in the cup shape, only made by paper. The most important thing for this is is a paper. If you can take a white sheet, colored sheet, origami sheet, or a newspaper also, because then you can paint it or what do we say that, color it. So I took an origami sheet for this, as this is really small, but then I thought to make a video for that and even share it with you all. If you don't know how to make it, then watch this video till the end. And even if you know how to make that, then that is really fun. We all can do it all together. So I really cannot wait to make such a cute little diary again. So let us start it. So the materials needed for the cup diary is a strip of paper. Any color will work. If you have a white color, that will even of costly work. So now this is my strip of paper. It is in purple color. One more strip, just like ribbon. It should be a bit more longer than this one, and it is not at all compulsory that it would be a white A4 size sheet. You can even take an origami white sheet, or I believe that is important to have a white A4 size sheet. Then we need some glue. Then we need a pencil, a sketch pen. So you can even take a black pen or any colored pen you want to. And even I have taken a white pen to make the eyes like this. Alright, so if you want it, then it's not compulsory. If you don't have it, then don't buy it, because it is not compulsory. You can even leave your eyes like that only. So now let us start it. First, we'll take the strip of paper and we'll fold it into half. One half only. Now, we're going to draw a cup. You can draw your own style of cup or even copy me. If you want a big book, because I've made a small book and I don't need this small type of size, that's why I'm making a big book now. So this is my cup, and don't design it first. Now we are gonna cut it. I don't like cutting curvy things. Alright, our cup book is ready. Means the shape of it is ready. Now you will see it will actually look like this. So now, when it is cut, you can decorate it. So you can take a pencil. Yeah, here's my pencil. And you can even make it a unicorn one, while now I'm not making any of the unicorn one, as it is a cup diary. So we'll make the big eyes and one small and even a tip of, I want to make smile. No, smile doesn't look cute at all. You can take your eraser Alright, so my cup is ready. Means my cup face is ready. And now you can even sketch it. So mine looks like this, and I find it so cute. Oh, cute little buddy. And even like you see a cup handle over here, so you can even make that handle. And so if you want to give it a border, you can even give the border. Yes, done. And now I'll use my white pen to color these balls in it, and even to color the handle in it. So this is the white jelly roll pen. If you want the link of it, so I'll send that in the description box below. So our cup face and the cup looks are ready, and it is looking really beautiful and cute. Now we'll make the writing book inside it. So now for the inside part of it, we will first of all take our white strip and we'll fold it. So take care, we have to fold 2 halves. Alright, so one and then again. So like if you find it really long, then you can even fold it 1 more half, but I want this much only, so I'm taking this much only. And even if you want a thicker one for this, then you can even make a thicker one. So see, it will be put like this. So they are just like sticky notes. And we'll make one more like this. So you'll need one more white strip. So now this one is not done. We have to cut it from the first. So we have to, the open side you can see. So from this side, we have to cut it a bit. Just a very bit. So it's cut, and now you will see your book is ready. So you will stick them together with the glue. Stick it in the right position. So now it's sticked, and now you have to put some glue over at the last of it, which is closed, and then stick it over here. So we'll take this and place it over here. I did it wrong. No, that's fine. To do some silly mistakes. So we'll put it at the edge, or what do we say? Edge, right? So these, we'll put it at the edge of it. And it's just like a fudge. I made this glue at home, and even in the next DIY video, I'm going to tell you how to make glue at home in 1 minute. So now it's not at all a surprise because you got to know. So we can press a key. I hope it will be sticked. Yes, it is. So our notebook is ready. So this is our notebook, and so this is our notebook. I've shown you already. So now in this notebook, we just made this notebook in 1 or 2 minutes. I didn't actually count it, but it is looking so cute. I like it a lot. Like, and the notebook inside it just looks like a sticky note for me because I made it a bit, I think, very thin. So you can take a big piece of the strip for making it if you want some type of squares which will cover the whole notebook. And even you can design the back with it if you want to. We can sketch it, right? So let us sketch it. Sketch it. You can even make the duplicate of the front at the back side also if you want to show that. Like this. And the E. This just looks like an E to me, right? See the nose of it, isn't it? Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. And we'll take the white. Oh, I'm making it with white now. So it's done and our cup book is ready. Yay! So you can even send me your cup book pictures. So now I've made one over here and one over here. I'll get confused which was the front side of it and which was the back side of it. But still, it would be good that anyone who would see this, so everyone would find that both the sides are from opening, right? I don't know. So like that, you can make a lot of notebooks more at home, or you can even design the notebook cover. In my previous video, I told how to, not my previous video, my last video, I told that how to design our own book cover. So like that, no need to buy it from a market. You can make these all stuff at home. And for more interesting and more fascinating craft and cute little craft ideas and more fun videos, subscribe my channel and bell वाली जो आइकन है उसको भी दबा दो, लाइक वीडियो कर दो और 1000 लाइक्स तक पहुंचा दो और बस और शेयर भी कर दो। तो बस इतना करो और आपको बहुत अच्छे और न्यू फैसिनेटिंग क्राफ्ट आइडियाज मिलेंगे। बाय बाय एंड टेक केयर, stay safe, stay healthy and stay home with wonderful DIY craft.